Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover up align tool, character tool, text and text animation in After Effects. Without wasting our time, let's begin. First of all, we need to make a new composition and create a composition first, a new composition here. I'm going with 1920 by 180p. That means horizontal 16:9. And that's it. Now add a text. You can show here is a text tool. Left click on text tool for select this, and again left click on the preview panel. Now type anything you want, like what. Oh shit, I literally typed like what. Okay, anyways, now there is many things to understand about text. First of all, select your text, and you can show here a circle like icon in the corner of your text. It is anchor point, guys. Make sure your anchor point in the middle of your text. Now we can't select text by selection tool. Just like that, we can't select it. First we need to on text tool, then we can select our text like this on your text tool. Now I can select my text easily by dragging this. After that, in left side you can show here a character tool. That means you can change the font from this here, and I'm going with impact. I just select any random font like this, and here you can change your, and here you can adjust your font just like a bold, italic, and you can change, and in regulation you can change the bold, italic of your font. And here is not showing because I selected my wrong font, because some fonts have this option and some fonts haven't. I'm selecting with this, and you can show here bold, italic, regular italic, medium to italic, semi bold. I'm going with a semi bold, italic, and you can change here font color also. Like that, I'm going with blue, light blue. Okay, and you can also add a stroke in your font, and double click on your stroke icon, and you can also add a stroke in your font. Okay, I think it's not a good, and you can increase the stroke width like that. It's so weird, guys. I recommended never on this. Okay, and you can swap your color in stroke and color fill like this from this button. Okay, and you can increase the size of your text from here, and from here you can increase the length of your text, and this is the way you can increase the gap between the text. Okay, and this is and this means all the fonts have bold like that, and this means all the font becomes italic. This means all the font become capital letters, and this means first letter becomes capital, and all the remaining letters capital but in small like this. And here is power, and this is not and here is your character, and with align tool we can align our text in center, and with anything we need to first drag it into center, and now we can align our text tool in center like this and like this. And also we can animate our text. Just click on this drop down menu, go and transform, add an initial keyframe. I'm going with scale. After 2 seconds, again add a keyframe. Select your keyframe, add your initial value, select both keyframe, press F9 for easy edge, and go in graph editor, and wait a minute. That's all the graph. That's position graph, that's scale graph, that's rotation graph. We only need a scale graph. Just click on the scale like this, and I'm going with edit speed graph, and Ctrl+D for duplicate our text for anything and text also. Okay guys, I think it's enough for today. Let's end this season, and again please practice at least 20 minutes in your day for mastery software. Bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.